Warning: contains graphic violence, partial nudity, suggestive scenes, and strong language. May depict comedy and satire some may find socially and politically incorrect. Intended for a mature audience, viewer discretion is advised.
Alright, my people. Everyone in their places. We get this all in one take.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
It's showtime.
Ladies and gentlemen, the artist, Miss Theodore.
Remember me.
I don't understand. Everyone loves her. How can she look so sad?
That is because ain't none of this is real.
This story is about an autistic savant's desperate quest to save the woman he loves and the future of humankind.
Beneath the fact and fiction of its pages lays a powerful message. It speaks equally of hope, defiance, and an understanding for the autistic condition. Song of Evening is both entertaining and satisfying. Pulling up the heartstrings of your emotions, it takes you on a grand adventure, leaving you laughing or crying, all at the right and wrong moments. Here is love, pain, and betrayal, carried by a mystery that journeys through the fabric of time itself.
He has the key.
And none of this is real.
I am here. Seriously, I was right in the middle of something. My powers were able to resist you. Oh, Prince of Orleans.
Well, so this is what it's like to be heartbroken. It's only slightly worse than that. But then, what if you fall in love? Yeah, it gets kind of confusing, doesn't it?
I don't understand. Everyone loves her. How can she look so sad?
And none of this is real.
Find your way to the green room.
This was but the beginning of a long journey. In Book 2, Vengeful Gods, our heroes will be drawn into the conflict of men and the histories that they would make. They would undergo many adventures in the face of great peril, cast upon the wings of an unknown destiny. They must place their trust in the hands of their Creator, me, to bring them home safe in the final end.
Should you enjoy this book, we also offer it in enhanced audio. Featuring Andrew Devoid. Audiobooks are awesome. Oppose audiobooks attain the next level awesome. Known as fully casted audiobooks or dramatized audiobooks, which include theme and background music. Song of Eden makes you feel like the book is really happening. That you, yourself, have truly lived it.
My band and I were working our way towards Memphis when we came upon a lonely drive-in theater and a diner that should not have been there. We were all having a wonderful evening.
I got a job in the valley, but today I didn't go. I need a day off, but the boss says hell no. I'm gonna get drunk and smoke 3 packs of Marlboros. And part of me thinks I ain't ever gonna make it back home. Hey!
ended the moment the music stopped. After that, I don't remember